everyone! Today I have this really cool and awesome playset from Disney's Minnie Mouse. It's like a shopping basket. Look how cute it is. So here it is out in the basket. Here we got our bread, strawberry, here we got our cupcake with a bow on top, purple. Here we got our green apple. Here we got our pie, and this is raspberry pie. Yum! Some more strawberries. We got a croissant bread. Yum! Here is a slice of cake. Here is our strawberry juice. And here we got a cute little cutter with a bow on it. Here we got apple pie. Here we got our grape juice. Here we got a can of peaches. And here we got a can of strawberries. Yum! So now we got our cutting board ready. And we also got some plates. These are nice colorful plates. We have Snow White, Cinderella, and Belle, Princess Belle. So let's start. Here we got a loaf of bread and our cutter. Yum! Next, we got some strawberries that we're gonna cut. Next, we got croissant. Yum, I love croissant. Snow White said she wants some croissant too. Yum. Now who wants some raspberry pie? This is so yummy. Now we have some more strawberries. Let's put it right here. Now we have 4 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I want some green apple. I love green apples. Yummy. We're gonna use Cinderella's plate. Yum! And now let's cut the cake. Now we can put this really cute cupcake. Gonna put right here. This purple cupcake. Want some juice? We pour in this really cute cup, pink cup. How about some grape juice? Here we got some grape juice that we can pour in this pink cup too. Well guys, thanks for watching my video. Until next time.